Hi everyone, welcome back to this another video. So, previous video we already discussed about the transformers of some of the theoretical information, how exactly the transformers works. So, this type of things we already discussed. Now, I'm going to show you how to implement these transformers using decoder type like chart GPT, GPT format. So, first I need to connect my runtime, I'm changing to the chart GPT, and the connecting the things has been done. So if you want to work on the transformers, first you need to install the transformers. Pip install transformers. So let me run this block of code. So transformers, if you are already satisfied, it will be shows the like already installed. It will show. So from I need to install transformers. I need to inform the transformers import. I need to import GPT, Lambda, and tokenization, right? So GPT to HM head model, this type of type of model, and GPT tokenizer. I need to convert because the tokenization, like the entire sentence is converted into the words. That's why we use this tokenization. So after that, tokenizer import GPT to tokenizer dot, and I'm passing the GPT to large. I'm passing the GPT log because this model has been trained with huge amount of data, with a huge amount of parameters also. Just I'm taking this thing. Okay, just I'm taking the things. And the next model, I'm building a model, whereas a model equals to GPT to lambda head. So lambda head dot model pre-trained within the GPT to large, and the pad token equals to tokenizer dot early stage of stop ID. It shows the early stage of stop ID. So I will run this code. Yeah, this is completely converted into the text. So let me show you how many tokens we have in early state of tokenizations. If you copy this code, it will show the number of tokens has been generated. It has been app. Let me wait for some time. It will be run. So it's been done, and after that, it will show the number of tokens also. Uh, it's around. So it will take some time to execute the things. So because we are in production. So yeah, we got this. Total tokenizers are 50,255 tokens are present here. Now I'm writing the sentence here. Sentence equals to I love my country. Right. This is a previous example we discussed. I love my country. This is my sentence. Okay. This is my sentence. And input underscore ID is equals to input and is equals. I need to encode this data sentence. I'm going to encoding this data and sentence, and that returns in the past. So let me print the output of data. Let me print this data. So this is the input tokens, the token which is assigned for the I love my country. I love my country. So if I need to decode these tokens, tokenizer decode dot one comma axis of one, which is the storing of one is around 0 1. So this is a index of one. So if I try for the one more, if you type for the one more token underscore 2 or 3, we get the country. We get the country, right? We get the country. So this is a country. And I'm going to print the result. I'm going to print the result of a model. So generator IDs, and maximum length of a model is 100. Maximum length of a model is 100. Number of beans, that means you need to calculate the top 5 related data, If you mention change it, you can also change. And n-grams need to be no repeated n-grams of 52. And yearly stop is true. Early stop is true. So if I show the result, so it will take some time to load. It will take some time to load. Okay, it will take some time to load because it need to be checked each and every with maximum. It need to be checked each and every word. It need to be checked everything. So it will take some time to load the result. Okay. So the outputs of the result definitely in the form of only vector, like a vectors. Output of a result is in the form of the vectors. Okay. After that, we need to decode tokenizer for decode the result equals to skip round. Okay, I need to tokenize. So if you run this code also, the entire thing will be get an output. The entire will be get an output. So it will take some time. So to execute. So mostly transformers are the very important. Entire the generation of the transformers, like we have a board. But is the first bidirectional represent encoder represented and transformer is the first one. After that, we have got a GPT's generative pre-trained transformers. So like that, everyone is indicated like improving. Right now, we are using the different types of transformers. So these transformers is change the entire life of NLP, natural language processing. So completely works for the text purpose, completely working for the text purpose to generate the text, to generate the text. So as a result, these are the tokens we have. So and this is the thing. So here the thing is, I love my country and I'm proud to be a citizen of United States of America and I am Mrs. Crisis. So the entire generation, the whatever the things, the and whatever the missing space, like whatever the things has done. So entire thing has been converted in the text format. Like it's gives the information as a meant as the opposite person who has staying with me. So like that it is giving like I love my country and I am proud to be a citizen of the United States of America. So like that they are mentioned the things. Okay. So this GPT is a pre-trained model. They are already thrown with the huge amount of data. That's why it snap the data and providing the outputs of a given data. So this is all about the transformers. So I hope you are all understand this beautiful implementation of the transformers. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.